Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this Lydia Deetz makeup look so you too can be strange and unusual. So I already started blending out my foundation. I'm using equal parts my regular foundation shade Ivory with this mixing pigment in the white. And we're getting this really pasty bitch kind of look. We love it. Now I'm taking some of this burnt orange shadow and blending it into the eye to start getting that really sallow kind of sunken no sleep look. Now I'm taking some of this burgundy shade to really make the eyes look sallow. And we're gonna blend that under the eye here. We're gonna put it on the lid. We're gonna just put it everywhere. And we're gonna blend that out, my dear. Oh my god, my eye's so watery. Hope! Now I'm adding some smoky black eyeliner all over the eyes. Now I'm taking the most gray toned contour that I have and lightly, very lightly, making my cheeks look sunken in. I couldn't decide what to do with my lips, but I think I'm gonna put some more of this burgundy eyeshadow on the lips because Lydia doesn't really have like lipstick on, but this will help define the lips without making them too lipsticky. So Lydia Deetz would not be complete without her bangs all gelled up. So let's get these spiky bangs going. I've already kind of pieced them out. There we go. There's one. Then there's another. Ooh. Hello. This is the finished Lydia Deetz makeup look. I myself am strange and unusual.